promethazine, codeine, horse trank, put on the doggy, oxycodone, 30 milligram. I geeked up on my body, bitch. I'm swagging and I'm surfing. Broke hard to beat, but was it worth it? Gotta help, starting to look back.
What's up, YouTube? SRT Will back with another video. I still got this little Christmas shit on, y'all. But we about to do a little POV in the snow, yeah. My car dirty as is. Look at this shit. We about to have fun though, no bullshit. Gotta come along. I gotta, every time I get in the wheel, man, I'm playing some bullshit too. Don't mind the bullshit. I'll hop on the GoPro. We about to have a little fun, you feel me?
No, you can't have me, babe.
We got a little M3 with us. Alright, I hope this view looks cool. I don't even know. My shit straight slip. Officer, like, you feel me? Like, I don't know why. I don't know why my shit sliding for real, officer. This shit don't make no sense. Yo, we gotta go to the bank right now. Shit. I hope y'all can see it for real, bro. I hope the quality cool. Oh shit, this joint crazy. Oh my god. Look at that one. Oh my god. Yo, this shit is too fun, bro. I can't even move. Like, look, I can't even. Yo, this shit is way too fun, y'all. Yo, all the neighbors just looking. These not even my neighbors, but I don't live nowhere near here. They were here looking at me like, yo, this motherfucking. He said he gotta be a lawyer, you feel me, in there every single day and shit. This nigga, he want Len to come outside. I'm about to put a GoPro on my shit. I'm gonna go like that. I'm about to put the brightness down a little bit. POV, we out. Let's slide this corner too. I know where they probably didn't. Oh, there's a whole bunch of snow down there. I'm about to go down there. Bro, people just stare at this car. Yo. Oh my god. They didn't plow it in there. Let me go to the bank real quick. We gonna tweak and that shit. Oh yeah. Nah, we about to tweak, bro. No bull. Let me just. I ain't gonna lie, I look like a weirdo with this shit on my head though. I'll be bitching, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If y'all didn't know nothing, if y'all don't know me at all, then y'all don't know that. Like, I'm really shy. Like, I'm really a shy person for real. Unless you get to know me though, I be drawn. But I'm really a shy person, bro. We going to the little ATM real quick. Right on the vlog. Oh my god, bro. My shit start sliding down this bitch. Alright. We got everything done today. Picked up my food for my abuela and all that. Let me the receipt though, you're. Oh, yo, bro, I'm dumb as shit. Alright, we about to have some fun. We about to have a little fun now. What's up, y'all? Yo, y'all might put the phone down, yo, and record this shit. Y'all ain't got nobody with me but me. But bro, tell me this bitch don't look crazy in the snow though. I mean, this bitch look dirty though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know about that shit. feel me? I gotta get all this shit off. This bitch about to be black for real, but shit, I'ma tap in when we I'm gonna put the phone down and slide my shit. So, yeah, I'ma tap in.
Thank you.
Yo. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Bro, this car is shitty in the snow, bro. Like, super bad, bro. Oh my fucking god. I'm about to go down these blocks down here. Bro, all-wheel drive is the best for this weather, though. Like, rear-wheel drive is just not it, bro. It's not as fun, bro. I don't know. I don't understand how... I'll be watching the Wumble and, I forgot what country that shit is. I think he's in, like... bro, I don't know, bro. All I know is they get so much snow, bro. It's in the UK somewhere, bro. Some shit. Switzerland, I think. Yeah, Switzerland, I think. And, bro, they get so much snow, bro. And they be in rural drive just drifting the mountains like it's nothing, bro. The fuck, this snow be like a foot high and shit. I don't know how they do that, bro. That shit tough, though. She a real rough rider. Let me get behind her. Shit. I don't see no snow, bro. I don't know why they plow so good, bro. They got like trucks on every block, like. Hold up, I see a little one-way down here. Yo, but I feel like this is a block I'll get stuck on. Nah, fuck that. Yo, nah, I'll probably get stuck on that shit. Can't lie. I'm gonna go to first gear real quick. First gear is useless. I'm gonna drift onto this block right here. Oh, wait, no, we're gonna let this person go. We're gonna let this person go. Oh man, like this little motherfucking this little monkey. Bro, that was the best block I ever went on, bro. What the fuck? That shit was funny as shit. Oh, I should've went down that block. No. Oh, whoa, this bitch started just sliding the other way. Damn, they got a little garage. That's a nice little apartment right there. Nothing, no, there's no like little bumps and shit in here, right? Nah, we should be cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we getting wide. Oh yeah, we getting wide. Oh shit. Yo, nah, that's fun as shit, bro. But shit, we about to go back to the crib, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. This shit fun though, but I'm burning all my gas in this joint. Bro, they really did they thing plowing these roads though, bro. Like, ain't no snow on the main roads like that. Oh, bro, even like the little johns, like for the most part. Then they got here shoveling that motherfucking snow. This nigga go like this. He go put his arm out like you strong. He a dickhead, yo. That nigga not even there. He walking the whole other way. But shit, that's probably be the end of the video. I might do some little content later though, so y'all stay tuned. We might get some night footage. I heard it's gonna snow again, like a little bit, you feel me? So if it snow a little bit, I'm gonna get some footage for y'all later and shit. I'm gonna tap in. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If I don't see y'all again, make sure y'all tune into my other videos, bro. We gotta run them joints up, bro. They've been doing better, feel me? I need to get to a point where every time I drop, it's at least 5K views, you feel me? That's how I wanna get. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. If you don't want to subscribe, you don't want to subscribe, bro. But I need the like. I need a like at least, bro. Even if you don't comment, I need a like. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna tap in with y'all.